Okay, so I'm making a new channel. It's basically about math, and in this video series, I will try to explain stuff that it's number sense based. Um, because I really can't find that many videos on the number sense, and I also feel a bunch of people lack this skill. So hopefully I'm able to at least help some people. But right now, let's get started. First, I will explain the normal method of multiplying. Well, at least the one in the United States. I'm not sure if other countries have it differently. Okay, so let's say we have a number 81 times 17. The normal thing to do is multiply the top numbers with the one digit place number of the other one. So 1 times 7, 7, 8 times 7, 56. And then do that, but then for the tens place, so 81 times 1, but you carry a 0, since they're one digit ahead. Okay, so this would be 81. And now you just add them up, 7, 7, 13. But there's a better way of doing this where you can just avoid all of this mess and go straight to the answer. You might be even able to solve some of these problems mentally, and that's the basic point of number sense, trying to solve a problem with your mind, not a calculator. So if we, let's say, try the same problem, and we multiply 1 times 7, and then 1 times 1, but we add 8 times 7, we get 57, and then we multiply 8 times 1, we get 8, add the 5, that's 13. Now some of you might be confused, you don't even know what I was talking about, but that's okay. Now let's try to explain this. Numbers, well, these two-digit numbers, they are basically in the form, I'm gonna write it in algebra notation, 10a plus b, where a and b, they're just numbers between 0, they can be 0, but like integers. X represents a and b. They're basically integers between 0 and 9, so they can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this case, A is 8, so 10, 8 plus B, in this case it's 1. So A and B would be 8 and 1, so that's 81. Okay. I hope I haven't lost people yet. Okay. So basically, you can represent numbers as letters, like in case people didn't know. So now, if I want a second number, I can represent it as 10c plus d, which is basically just represents another number. In this case, let's say C is 1, D is 7, so 10C plus D is 17. So this is 81, and this is 17. Okay. Now, for people that have taken Algebra 2, they should know how to multiply polynomials. And this is just a polynomial that you can multiply with ease. Okay, so let's do this a normal way. Let's distribute B. So we get 10C B plus B D. Okay, haven't lost anybody. Hope. Now let's distribute 10A. 10 times 10 is it 100. A times C. Okay, so now 10A times Z is just 10AD. 10AD. And again, sorry for my bad handwriting. I'm trying to explain the best I can, and I'm not really used to using my mouse to type. Write. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me try something. Oh, it works like that. So I can, since my computer is touchscreen, I can just use my finger. Well, I'm gonna try it. Okay, so basically, right now, let's rewrite this. 100. What the heck? It's not working anymore. 100. Okay, it's working again. A C plus this and this, they both have a common factor of 10. I know like some of them have like B and D, but that doesn't really matter. So now we factor out the 10 and we rewrite it 10AD plus C B plus BD. Okay. So our answer in this case was 1377. Now, we learned in second grade that the very first number is the ones place. The second number is the tens place. And, well, the third number is 100. 100. I don't know something. And of course this is 1,000, but we won't get into that yet. So basically right here, this is your ones place. Anything extra that's like if you multiply B and D, get like 11. Well, you carry the 1 and it goes here into the tens place. And the same thing for here to here. So this factor, what it means, it's where the number is going to be at. So here it has like an imaginary 1. And here the 10 and the hundreds. So 1, 10, and the 100. There's a 1 here because remember, you got a remainder. And that's basically how it works. Okay, so now let's try another example. 37 times 57. Okay, so now we want to get the ones place and the ones place. That's 49. Oh yeah, now that I'm multiplying big numbers, I should mention this. For number sense, I recommend that you know at least up to the your multiplication charts from 0 times 0 all the way to 10 times 10. So yeah, that you at least know the standard 5 times 5, 7 times 7, 7 times 8. You don't have to know any double digits, just at least up to 9 or 10. Because that's all you're doing. And of course, basic addition. Okay, so 7 times 5, 35, 3 times 7, 21. So 35 and 21, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. Carry the 6. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 1 is 2109. Okay, so one more example. 12 times 13. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1, 1. So as you can see, problems are made a lot easier like this. If you can start thinking like this, you'll probably, start doing better in arithmetic and won't have to rely on calculators. Like, I know there's probably people out there that don't use calculators that much, but for the most part, I'm pretty sure 99% of people rely on them. So hopefully people will start relying on them less after watching my videos. Even though I'm not that good at teaching, I hope you guys got at least something out of this, and that was at least a bit helpful. So thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys here next time, and tell me what you guys thought about how I was talking, how I was teaching, about my bad handwriting, anything. I'd like to know, because feedback will probably make me a little better, because I will try to fix some of the stuff I did wrong. Well, I guess that's it.